Hi everyone, so if you want to know how we achieve this beautiful braid, stay tuned. So we will be using the attachment, your wax, the spiral rollers and your clients. So this is how we'll be going, so stay tuned as we go on. So in this tutorial I will be showing you guys how we make that slant braid on a knotless braid. So I am using one pack of attachment extension, and I'm using the expression product of that attachment in color black. So now you have to really stay tuned to get this video properly, because the pattern, like getting that slant braid, is really technical, so you need to just pay detailed attention. So in this video, as you can see, to get the slant cutting you need to start from any side, either from the left or from the right. What you're going to do is take your time and cut it out like so, and you have to make sure to cut them out before braiding the hair, so you won't be getting one side bigger or one side smaller. So just as I'm doing, you see, make sure that the line is straight and it's coming out beautiful. So guys, we will be doing a knotless braid on this particular hairstyle. So like I said, you have to start from one end, so I am starting from this particular end. So depending on how long you would want your own to be, or how short the client's hair is, so that is how you're going to be making the hair. So I'm just doing the knotless braid and do well to hide the person's hair, so the braid will be looking neat as possible. And I always advise that you don't braid so tight because of the curls we will be making. So make sure your braid is semi-tight, like it's not very tight but it's okay. Then you can tie the knot at the end of the person's hair. So always braid it at least some inch away from the person's hair before you tie, and just like what I did. So you're gonna be going on with this video, and I would advise you stay and watch this video till the very end, because there are a lot of details and things you would want to know while making this hair. I know this video is a bit long than my usual videos, so in this tutorial you have to sacrifice the time and watch the video, because every single step you need to know on how to achieve this hairstyle is in this video. Like, this is a full tutorial, there's no by cutting, it's a full tutorial. So you need to be patient and watch this video till the very end. So guys, if you know you've not subscribed to this channel, do well to subscribe to this channel, and always like this video. Drop a comment on the comment section and tell me your thoughts on the hair, if you're going to be trying it or if you have tried it, and how was your experience, did you manage to achieve the result, and any other tutorial you would want me to do well to drop it on the comment section, so I will be making the tutorial for you. And also, if you want any detailed tutorial, like a personal one, you can come to my DM and I will be dropping that for you personally. So stay tuned and continue with this video. So guys, I really hope you're still watching this video till this very end, like this tutorial video. So this is how you knot the end. Make sure to knot more than one, and this is what it should be looking like. So now you know what to do. You braid the whole hair, and then we go straight to the coiling. So here we've done the trimming. You know you have to trim the hair properly. And since we are working on a coiling hair, like we're coiling the hair, you know I will always advise for you to brush out the hair properly before you start coiling. So these particular curls, I don't know the name I'm going to give it because it's giving us pixie curl vibe, but all I know is the coil is giving everything it should be giving. So to achieve this curl, you need your spiral rollers. So depending on how big you want yours to be. So this particular one, I'm using the medium size of the spiral rollers, and you should take detailed note of what I'm doing here. Here I'm not actually twisting the braids like the attachment part. I'm wrapping it because of the coil I'm trying to achieve. So if you don't wrap so tight, it's not going to give you this particular look. So when you're trying to get the coil, make sure you like wrap it flat. Do not twist. Immediately you twist, you're going to get another coil entirely. So you have to wrap. It's time consuming and it's not easy. Then the end, you need to secure it so tightly because you would not want to start redoing what you've already done. So you're just gonna go on, and don't forget to do your own practical on how to make the hair. It's simple, but it's time consuming. So when you want to do yours, do well to make sure you're wrapping them single braids per braid. You wrap, you coil it, because if you say you want to use two per coil, like per roller you want to use two, it's going to give you another look entirely. So these are some of the sacrifices you have to take to achieve a flawless braid or to achieve this particular hairstyle. So you're gonna go on with this video, and after that we could not wrap the whole hair because the rollers were not so much, so we had to do it two-step. So as you can see, that one I've already loosened out, so we need to rewrap it again. So these, like I said, like they are some of the sacrifices you have to take while making this hair. It's so frustrating at times, but we have to do it. Now this part, you have to put the roller directly on the braid, and you have to be very, very, very careful not to end up burning the client. And here we use about 6 towels before dipping the hair, so the client will not feel the water when I'm dropping the rollers. So you have to take your time, you have to be careful while doing it. After which you have to towel dry the hair. Then we'll be going in with our spray spirit hold. So you can use whichever spirit hold you want to use. I can recommend the Bee spray. You can also use the butterfly shadow. Whichever you have available, you use it and you dry the hair properly before you unravel it back. Now when you're unraveling it, you see what we're doing. You have to turn the roller to the other side. If you turn the roller the opposite way, it's not going to give you like the coils will not come out as it should. So this hair has procedures. You must follow the procedures. Now this particular one, I mistakenly did not dip it in the water, so you see the curls is giving us something else, so we need to do it all over again. So as you unravel, you have to cut out the excess. Immediately you unravel, you cut out the excess. So that is all about this video. So I spent approximately 6 to 8 hours getting this braid done. You can see that I'm not the only one doing the hair. My girls are also assisting me making the hair because we need to make sure the hair finish on time. So I know you enjoyed this video and you have learned something. So you're gonna give this video a thumbs up to show that you appreciate the video and you love the outcome. And you're gonna drop your thoughts in the comment section if you're going to be trying this hairstyle on your client or on your own errand, and also the cutting size if you're going to be trying it. So like I said, we had to did the curl 2 times, like section it twice, so we are doing the other part right now. So if you do not have enough spiral rollers, you can do the same thing, like do them step by step. So here we've already done the hot water part and we are unraveling the hair. Like I said, once you unravel, you cut out the excess immediately. Don't forget to cut out the excess. Very, very important. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you for subscribing to this channel, and thank you for dropping a comment, because I know you are going to love this hair. So you see the outcome, so beautiful, so lovely, very, very, very mindful and very demure. Now this hairstyle is very durable because of the way the hair is made, so definitely it's going to last you for a very long time. The coils, I doubt they ain't gonna go anywhere. They're going to stay put and last longer than every other kind of coil, I think, because they were made singly and beautiful. See you guys in my next video, and do well to drop your thoughts in the comment section. Bye.